So the best snack and addition to lots of my little meals, salads, yogurts are nuts. And again, it's all about diversity. My favorite nut is actually almonds. So happy to see they've got organic almonds. They're high in fiber, protein, great for your hair, skin and nails, which I know are common perimenopause symptoms where we, have thinning hair shedding. I love almonds. Actually 20 almonds before your meals can help to really reduce those blood sugar spikes. That's another little hack that you could add in. I snack on nuts all the time. If I was on the go, I would just grab mixed nuts because you've got all that diversity together. My second favorite would probably be walnuts. They're really good for the heart-shaped walnuts. Cashew nuts are pretty addictive, so I try and limit them, but I do have a bit of everything. I don't cut anything out in my diet. It's all about having a good balance, and I love pistachios. So another big staple in my diet is also chia seeds and flax seeds. In fact, all the seeds here, I could just pick all of them right now. Chia seeds, especially high in fiber, really good source of omegas. They kind of swell up. I love a little chia pudding. Like to soak it overnight. You could even add these into your smoothies or your yogurts. And I love flax seeds. These are really important during perimenopause and menopause because they're actually phytoestrogen. So as your estrogen levels decline, flax seeds are like a daily thing that I have to have in my diet. If you're looking for something sweet, I really love dates, and these are really good quality medjool dates. Go easy on them. I know they're addictive, but maybe one date a day is really good. It's great for your iron levels. It's great for fiber, for digestion, loads of benefits in dates. So I'm going to definitely pick those up. Oh, I'm so excited. Tesco's doing really well. You have got organic medjool dates. I do try and go organic as much as possible, especially if you're going to eat the skin of the fruit or vegetable. So I think I'll swap those for organic ones. Okay guys, I am not going for the sugary juices, but my favorite drink, and another whole topic of discussion since I stopped drinking alcohol about 6 years ago, is kombucha. So good for your gut. It's fermented, it's sparkly. If you put it in a little champagne or wine glass, this just sorts me out, and I know it's great for my gut microbiome, which is really important during menopause. So in the cheese aisle, I actually love all cheese. I'm finding this hard not to pick up everything here. Really good for calcium, for keeping our bones strong, for protein, keeping me satiated. Just a nice little snack would be some nuts, some cheese, some olives. So alongside very mature cheddar cheese, in my weekly shop I always get halloumi, which I love. You could just easily griddle that and stick it on stuff. I also love feta, which I put on my salads, and I love paneer, which is, and we got some feta. This looks good, but I'm actually going to go for, if I can, the organic option, which is quite good value. And I'm going to get some paneer, which I use a lot in Indian dishes, but I just love paneer. I can stick that in to everything. It's really yummy. Really love yogurt, and I eat yogurt on a daily basis, but I would say try and avoid all the sugary ones. So for me, I go for kefirs because they're really great for your gut health. I love this big tub, and if this is organic, different brands actually, you could keep switching them up, will have different strains of the good bacteria in them, so it's always nice to keep switching brands. Really like this one, so I'm going to grab a big tub of that. Sometimes just get the drinks as well. There's quite a few different kefir drinks that you can stick in to smoothies. I mean, I've got so used to it, I don't even notice. I mix it in with my yogurts. I have got my most important, the highest fat, full fat I would go for, not low fat, but Greek yogurt. So I literally can't live without tubs of Greek yogurt. It's really good, again, for your bones, your calcium. So yeah, yummy. I'm going to stock up on lots of yogurt. So as a vegetarian, and for everyone, especially in menopause, we want to try and build as much lean muscle mass as possible. So protein has to be a real focus in all of your plates. So because I'm vegetarian and I want to eat less processed food, I always go for the clean types of tofus and tempehs. There's lots of different processed ones out, but I'm going to go for nice clean ingredients that I can then spice up and just, make to my taste. Tempeh has got even higher protein than the tofu. So I'm going to grab some of those tempeh. And then I do love different textures. Sometimes this one looks good. This is a nice firm tofu. So depending on how you're cooking, but this is a great way to get protein into your diet. I've never tried this one. That does look good.